Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Asif. What is the difference between hiking, trekking and backpacking?
This is the most commonly asked question. The difference between hiking, trekking and backpacking. Well, hiking is a vigorous walk into the wilderness on a well-defined marked trail, but most commonly hiking does not engage a defined or marked destination. It may be an easy day-long vigorous walk into the wilderness to explore nature for recreational purposes. Trekking, on the other hand, is a bit different in the sense that trekking engages because it's towards a marked destination. When you hike towards a marked destination, then you are trekking. Trekking may engage more days and more strenuous tracks and well-defined tracks and hiking trails. Well, trekking is further divided into three more types. It's treehouse trekking, then there is camping, and then comes the gap trekking, where gap stands for guide and gears, accommodation and porter. Remember, whatever activities you are choosing, stay healthy, be very near to the nature, reduce your carbon footprints, keep walking. Thank you very much.